Hello Sugarplums, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's DIY, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own alcohol ink at home, and we're going to be making 3 different types of alcohol ink. And make sure to stay until the end of the video because we'll be testing the alcohol inks both on paper and in epoxy as well. So today we're going to be making 3 types of alcohol ink using acrylic paint, mica powder, and markers, permanent markers. Now you're gonna need something to put your alcohol ink in. I bought those low droppers bottles from Amazon. The pack come in 50. Also guys, you're gonna need some of those little round metal balls because you're gonna need that to put in your metallic alcohol ink. And also I bought those from Amazon. I'll make sure to leave everything for you in the description box below to check them out if you want to buy them. They were pretty cheap, and the pack came with 50 each, both the balls and the bottles, so they are very, very cheap guys. So I'll leave the link for you guys for you to check them out. Now you can use any type of metallic mica powder that you want. I have mica powder from Alritz, I have mica powder from Prisma 65, I have mica powder from like Let's Resin, I believe. There's different type. There's no specific mica powder that you have to use. Any type of mica powder is fine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my powders, and I'm gonna be doing 6. I'm just gonna choose the 6 color that I'm gonna be using, put them directly in my little dropper bottles. Now I'm using like a little plastic funnel to just go ahead and put my alcohol in each one of them. Now one tip guys, you have to know, you have to use 91% and up alcohol. Anything less than 91%, it's not gonna work. So make sure you use 91% and up. I'm using a 95% alcohol, so that's that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my alcohol in each one of the bottle. Shake it, shake it, shake it, and then this is where you're gonna get your beautiful metallic alcohol ink. Now after I finish doing that, we're gonna put that aside because this alcohol ink is done. It's as easy as that guys. Put your powder, add your alcohol, shake it, let it sit. That's it. You are ready to use it already. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to method number 2, or alcohol ink number 2. Now we're gonna be doing the pastel. This is like a neon pastel color that I want to do because those colors are so beautiful. I only have 3 at home, so I'm gonna be using those 3 colors. And this little bit of acrylic paint that I added guys, gonna end up making 3 bottles of each one of the colors. So if you don't have any extra bottles, make sure you add like literally 1/3 of the paint that you see me adding, and I literally add less than 1/4 of the low dropper bottle, and this is like 15 millimeter bottles they are. So after I finish doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and add some alcohol in each one of the bottle. I'm gonna shake them and I'm gonna let them sit, and later on I'm gonna divide each the quantity of each bottle in 2 more bottles, so that we have 3 bottles of each one of them. And then after that I'll fill them up again with alcohol. Now this is what they look like after I finish adding alcohol in each one of them. Now I have like a metallic gold that I added, but I'm not gonna use that because this one turned out, it didn't, I don't know why it didn't react quite well with the alcohol, so it become like quite like almost like slimy, so I'm not gonna be using that. Now the third method, or the third alcohol ink we're gonna be doing, it's gonna be your regular solid opaque alcohol ink, and for this one we're gonna be using permanent marker. Now I'm using like a jumbo size permanent marker, but again guys, you don't have to have like a specific brand to use. Any type of marker is fine as long as it's a permanent marker, it's fine. Now after I remove the low tape, and then I remove the low plastic spongy inky tube inside, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it into multiple little pieces just so they can fit better inside my bottle one, and then they'll be easier for the alcohol to to soak into them. Now after I finish adding all my markers into each one of the bottle, I'm gonna be doing 5 different colors. I'm gonna go ahead again, add my alcohol inside each one of the bottle, making sure the alcohol completely cover the low plasticky inky tube that's inside. Now I'm gonna shake it a little bit after I finish adding my alcohol on top of them, and then I'm gonna let it sit for at least 3 hours. Now some people can leave it, I see some people say that they leave it for like 30 minutes or an hour, but the more you leave it, the more opaque your ink become. Now because I'm using like the jumbo size marker, after I finish, after 3 hours, I went and added my ink inside those low dropper bottle. I still had a little bit of ink left, and the little tube itself was completely like still full of ink. So I end up adding more alcohol on top of them, let them sit for like a day, and then the next day I went and added those alcohol ink again inside my bottle, and those alcohol ink that set for like 24 hours or more opaque than this one. So don't throw your low tube away. If you still see the color still in them, you can still add more alcohol and make more alcohol ink. Now what I'm doing right now, I'm using like just a regular aluminum foil to just do like a little funnel, because the funnel that I'm using doesn't fit inside the mouth of the low bottle. So I'm using the fold, the aluminum fold to just have the liquid fall inside the bottle. Now this part is very messy, guys, so be careful. And I completely forgot to use my glove, so make sure you use your glove, guys, because it can stain pretty bad. So I had to go and quickly wash my hand with some baby wipe, alcohol and baby wipe, to remove like some of the color that was sitting on my hand. But I went later on, before I finished all of those filling them up, I went and added my glove. Now this is a couple of hours. I let everything sit down. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my test. Now the first test we're gonna be doing is gonna be now on a regular white piece of paper, and I'm gonna be showing you guys this is what the ink look like after I divided each one of inside two other bottles. So this is like one bottle. I went and filled it up with alcohol, and then you can see you have like the right consistency of alcohol ink. Again, when you're using acrylic paint, make sure you use a little bit of acrylic paint to get the right consistency of alcohol ink. Now I'm gonna be using a straw to just blow out the alcohol ink, and then of course you have to let it dry completely for you to see the full color. But even though this is like a neon pastel type of color, guys, the color is very opaque, beautiful. Like, I absolutely love each one of the alcohol ink that I made, because they all came out very beautiful. Doesn't matter if you use acrylic paint, if you use the mica powder, if you use like the marker, guys, trust me, it will save you a lot more money if you make your own, because you have control on which color you want to do, and plus you can make multiple bottles. So yes, do it yourself, guys, save yourself a lot of money. So now this is what the neon pastel color look like, beautiful. Now we're gonna go ahead and test the metallic mica powders, and let me tell you guys, I was blown away by the payoff colors and the shine that's in the metallic mica powder. Beautiful. Now I have so many different type of mica powder at home, so many different colors, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock myself out, play, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make all of them into alcohol ink. Imagine what you can do if you have a lot of pigment powder. Beautiful colors. I'm gonna be showing you each one of them, guys, and then we're gonna go ahead and put them side by side, and then we're gonna come back to show you the second test, which is gonna be how they look in epoxy. Alright guys, so this is what all the alcohol look like when I add them, all of them on paper. And as you can see, they are very opaque, they are very pigmented, they are very like shiny, beautiful, each one of them. Now we're gonna move on to do test number 2, which is adding them into epoxy. Again, you can use whatever epoxy you want. I don't mind. I'm just doing like a test, a little piece of test. I'm just doing like a free form epoxy test. Later on I'll just create like a little bowl with each one of them. I'm just using my regular epoxy from Permanent Supply, guys. You can use whatever epoxy you want. Now because I'm using like saran wrap under it, I don't want to burn it, so I'm just gonna use my heat gun to very low setting and quickly just to burst a few bubbles, but I don't mind the bubbles staying in there because we're just making a test. Now we're gonna go ahead and start with the markers, which is gonna be our solid alcohol ink, and then we're gonna go and I'm gonna be showing you when I do each one of them individually. I'm gonna be showing you which one I'm gonna be doing, guys. And then after that we're gonna play with it, let it set, and then later on I'm gonna be showing you what the bowl look like, because I went off camera. I didn't want to go show you guys how I sculpted. This is for like another video, and beside I already did that on this channel. If you want to know how I sculpted it, you can go ahead and watch this video right there, or watch the video in the description box below. Again guys, I'm gonna leave everything for you in the description box below. If you want to do your own alcohol ink, everything that I use in this video, I'll leave it for you in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for being here. If this is your first time watching my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you taking time to watch my video. Please do me a favor and go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friend and family, and make sure you have the bell icon to on and all so you don't miss any future video that I'll be making on. And if you're an old subscriber, guys, thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you so much for all the love and support. I really appreciate that, guys. Thank you so very much. I love you so much, guys. And I'll be make sure to put a video on my channel every Tuesday and every Saturday. So if I miss one of those days, is because I have a situation that maybe prevent me to add a video that day, but I'll make sure to add a video both on Tuesday and on Saturday each week, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and finish doing the test, and then I'll come back when I'm showing you the logo and what the ink look like in epoxy. Alright guys, so this is the morning. I went and letting my little sculpture bowl sitting there, and as you can see, they're not completely cured yet. They're still flexible, but they'll cure within 72 hours and they'll become really hard. And I'm showing you right now side by side from the paper test to the epoxy test to see what they look like. As you can see, guys, they are very nice and opaque, beautiful colors. They blend really well. So why not make your own alcohol ink, guys? There's no need really to make to buy it, because guess what, whatever you buy at the store, somebody else made it, so you can make it yourself at home, so to save you a lot of money. And as you can see, the metallic alcohol ink that I made with the mica powder, beautiful. Still have like that beautiful glittery shine to it, and the color blend really nicely. It's a very beautiful. And also guys, know that some people may use like eyeshadow, like metallic eyeshadow to make their metallic ink. So this is something that to keep in mind. If you don't have mica powder, you can try to use your eyeshadow to make it. If you have eyeshadow at home, you can try to do that as well. And also guys, all the color looks stunning, beautiful. Even the pastel color came out to be exactly as the paper ink. So I absolutely love it, guys. Thank you so much for being here, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and let you finish watching this video. And as always, guys, you know the deal. Be blessed and stay blessed. I love you guys. I'll see you very soon. Bye. Mwah.